Meet Fred. Fred loves his job developing products. Recently, he took a mock-up of his latest creation down to Bill in production. But Bill told him that he would either have to change the design or get them new equipment, and not for the first time either. So Fred went up to the CEO, Mike, to talk about the new equipment. Mike asked a lot of questions, but liked the idea and needed new products, so he sent Fred down to Susan in finance, who did the calculations, and told Fred, maybe next year. Mike suggested that Fred find a cheaper way to do it, so Fred went down to Tom in purchasing to see if he could help out. After weeks of waiting and talking with Mike, 2 suppliers were found, one who charged too much and one who looked promising. And although he needed a lot of supervision, he seemed to be able to deliver. Until 5 months later. That's when Fred saw a case study from Sinoscan and got in touch with one of their engineers, Jim. The next call with Mike was different. Fred told Mike about Jim and his more than 100 colleagues who work across the globe to provide design for manufacturing and engineering, sourcing, assembly and production, from simple parts and sub-assemblies to finished products, from prototyping, documentation in Chinese and customers' own languages, testing and certification, packaging, sending, storing, and distributing to end users worldwide. Both Mike and Susan seemed pleased with the fast results, the limited resources required, and the lack of additional investment, which means Susan can possibly find room for it this year. Now Fred can focus on making great products. Tom can focus on consolidating their supplier base and streamlining their supply chain. Bill can focus on running a production that builds capacity when it is justified. And Mike can focus on developing the business. You need help to focus on your core? Try giving us a call.